Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Alright. Like to welcome y'all to my vlog and stuff like that. You know, I've been hearing a lot of stuff about what's going on in Texas, Dallas, Texas, northern Texas and stuff like that, Uh, you know, I watch Inside Edition and stuff like that. And I watch my local news and everything, hearing about the massive floodings that's going on in Texas. I'm like, I see this lady. I forgot her name. Her apartment was flooded. She woke up to some water in her living room and stuff like that. And then another one woke up to some water in her living room and stuff like that in their apartment. And this other lady who I'm talking about now, she moved in 3 days and she didn't even finish unpacking. You know, well, I want to tell y'all, you people in Texas, if you're watching this right now, I want to tell you, I'm very sorry to hear about that. I mean, I know how it feels because let me tell you, me, my family, and the citizens, we went through Hurricane Katrina. That's almost some compared to Hurricane Katrina. And I seen things on the news with some places being flooded and people had to be rescued and stuff like that. I saw that before Katrina, like in 2003 or 2004. I'm like, wow. I doubt if that had happened to us. I can't imagine that happening to us. And look what happened. It happened to us. You know, because the levees broke and stuff like that. Hurricane Katrina was a Category 4 or Category 5 or whatever. So in the Gulf of Mexico, Hurricane Katrina done some major strengthening. You know, so I wanna say it really broke my heart when this lady I forgot her name though. She was like her house is flooded. She didn't know what to do and stuff like that. I want to say, ma'am, if you're watching this right now, I'm very sorry that you're going through this. I'm very sorry that you're going through this. I mean, that's oh my God, I really don't know what to say honestly. It breaks my heart. Okay, long as nobody didn't take the elevator, knowing that the downstairs is flooded. Uh, in 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 Omaha, Nebraska, I guess it was three people or four people. Well, I would say three people. I guess one guy and two girls or whatever. They got in the elevator to see what was going on and stuff like that. Some should have told them to take the stairs. They rode in the elevator. All of a sudden, the elevator broke down, and and, and then the water started gushing inside the elevator. So oh my God. So that happened. I think 2 years ago in Omaha, Nebraska. With heavy rains and stuff like that. They should have took the stairs. I hope I don't hear no news about somebody stuck in a flooded elevator again. You know. So I want to tell y'all. Uh, uh, I feel for you people that's struggling to clean up everything after this historic flood. After this historic flood and stuff like that, y'all struggling to clean up and everything. I mean, I know how it feels though. I know how it feels. You know, and I want to say I'm very sorry to hear about what y'all going through out there. I'm very sorry to hear about that. Okay, all right. So I know how it feels. Okay. So to let y'all know that I'm aware of what's going on and stuff like that. And we over here praying for y'all. Okay, because I know how it feels to lose everything in a flood and stuff like that. I know how it feels because I lost a lot of stuff. Okay, at least I was able to salvage my music CDs and some of my Super Nintendo tapes. Well, actually, two Super Nintendo tapes and three NES tapes. but I wasn't able to salvage my Super Nintendo and my regular Nintendo. I was unable to salvage those. Okay, yeah, I was totally unable to salvage those. You know, all right. So anyway, as I was saying, y'all, at least we got it with our clothes on our backs and everything, but we ain't had no food on the table. You know, so I must say FEMA gonna have to pay them a lot of money, not us, them, so anyway, all I'm praying for y'all is to recover, recover from this devastating flood, you know. All right. Oh, Lizzie Velasquez live in Austin, Texas. Lizzie, if you watching this, if you people from Austin, Texas that's watching this right now, are y'all experiencing the same problem too? I'm asking y'all. Lizzie, if you watching this, are you all right out there? If you people in Austin, Texas, all right? I need to know. Comment below if you live in Texas right now, and if you're experiencing it. Comment below. If you're not experiencing it, comment below. I need to know how y'all people doing out there. Okay, Lizzie Velasquez, you and your family, your friends, and whoever else in Texas, even if it's far out, I need to know how y'all doing out there. Do me a favor and comment below and tell me how y'all doing out there. I need to know that. Okay, so please comment below and tell me how y'all doing out there. I need to know. Okay, are y'all recovering? Y'all didn't flood at all? Are y'all experiencing bad flooding or anything else? Please let me know. Comment below, please. Okay. Well, you know what? I mean, I'm concerned to Lizzie Velasquez. That's all. And Lizzie and everybody else. You people too. Okay, anybody that's in Texas. I don't care what part of Texas you are. You in. If you are. My video had froze. All right. So
let me repeat myself just in case y'all just in case my video whatever, if y'all all right out there, please let me know. If y'all not all right, please let me know. Tell me what's going on. Okay, tell me how y'all are out there. Okay, do me a favor and tell me how y'all are. Not just the citizens out there, the police department. I want to know if the police department, the fire department, the paramedics, the mayor, and anybody out there that's all right out there. Okay, the rich, the poor, it doesn't matter. I need to know how y'all doing out there in Texas. Do me a favor and comment below. If you have a YouTube channel and you live in Texas or whatever, and if you're experiencing it, let me know. If you're not experiencing it, if you are right out there, let me know. That's all I need to know. Okay. All right. That's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching this video. Okay. God bless y'all, and I'll keep y'all in my prayers.